For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Makita 5007MG Magnesium, a drill that has been touted as a game changer for pros and DIYers alike. I recently had my hands on this tool and I must say it didn't quite live up to the hype. Therefore, I'm sharing my disappointing experience with you today. I know what you're thinking. What's so special about this drill? Well, Makita boasts that its magnesium body provides a significant weight reduction while maintaining durability, something that piques my interest as a woodworker and handyman. However, my curiosity quickly turned to frustration after using it for an extended period, /N. You see, the Makita 5007MG Magnesium promises so much but delivers so little. It's a drill that feels awkward in your hands due to its ergonomic design, which is meant to reduce fatigue, but only leads to discomfort and strain instead. I decided to put this tool through its paces by running some rigorous tests, drilling through various types of wood, including hardwoods like oak and maple, and evaluating its overall performance. The results were underwhelming. There's no denying that the Makita 5007MG Magnesium is a powerful drill. It can certainly handle tough tasks with ease, /N. However, I encountered several issues during my testing phase. Firstly, the motor overheated after prolonged use, which made me worried about its long-term reliability. Then, there was the problem of inconsistent torque delivery, which resulted in some unpleasant surprises when working on delicate projects. I know many of you might be thinking, but what about Makita's reputation for quality and durability? Well, let me tell you, this drill doesn't quite live up to its manufacturer's standards. Therefore, I'm questioning whether it's worth the investment, /N. My testing experience was filled with frustrating moments where the Makita 5007MG Magnesium just couldn't keep up with my expectations. Its magnesium body, which is meant to reduce weight while maintaining strength, felt flimsy and lightweight in comparison to other high-end drills I've used. One of the biggest disappointments for me was its mediocre battery life, which, considering its supposed advanced features, left much to be desired. The drill's performance would consistently dwindle after about 20 minutes of continuous use, /N. There are better options out there that won't leave you disappointed like I was with this tool. Now, before we dive into the details of why I don't recommend the Makita 5007MG Magnesium, let me ask, have any of you had similar experiences with this drill? As a consumer, it's essential to consider alternatives and make informed decisions about your tools, especially when they're as pricey as this one. The market offers a plethora of high-quality drills that won't put you through the same frustration, /N. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What have been your experiences with the Makita 5007MG Magnesium? Have you found it reliable and efficient, or did you also encounter issues? Let's get back to my review. I went into this experience thinking that the Makita 5007MG Magnesium would be a top-notch tool, but its shortcomings are hard to ignore. Now, here's where things get interesting. Despite all the problems I encountered during testing, there is one area where this drill shines in theory. The Makita 5007MG Magnesium boasts an impressive array of features that should make it stand out from the competition, /N. With its advanced motor and improved magnesium body, you might be thinking that this drill would be ideal for professionals who need a high-performance tool. However, after putting it through my rigorous testing process, I realized that these supposed advantages don't quite translate to real-world performance. In fact, some of the features I mentioned earlier, like its variable speed settings and robust motor, seem to be more gimmick than genuinely useful innovation. The result was a drill that felt overpriced and underwhelming, /N. So what's the takeaway from my disappointing experience with the Makita 5007MG Magnesium? Simply put, this tool doesn't live up to its promises. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, there are better options available in your budget. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient drill that won't leave you frustrated like I was, then don't waste your money on the Makita 5007MG Magnesium. Click the link in the description to get a top-notch alternative at an unbeatable price.